August is over and it hasn't exactly been 90 days yet since YouTube automation, but I wanted to go ahead and just make a video and just show my progress so far in this past month of August. So boom, right here, here's my dashboard. I have almost 12,400 subscribers. My content, and you could see over here, I already have a bunch of things scheduled. So you can see I have stuff scheduled for today, September 1st, September 3rd, September 4th, September 6th. So I'm pretty ahead as far as video production goes. Let's go to my analytics and let me change this. So this is all August, and you can see, so for August, your hard work paid off, publishing more videos contributed to your channel getting more views than usual. I'm very happy about that. So my views are up, my watch time is up, my subscribers are up, and so is my revenue. So for the month of August, I mean, you could already see here, it is $96.42. And you, right over here, June, this is when I actually started YouTube automation. So as you could see before, I'm getting, roughly in 30s, roughly $1 a day, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little less. Oh yeah, November was pretty crazy apparently, and so was October for some reason. So if I got $60 in October from just my couple of videos. So you can see here, August is where I made the most amount of money so far. And mind you, obviously this isn't profit. I'm still at a loss, but I'm happy I'm seeing the number go up. And this is the daily chart right over here. You can see at the beginning of August, it started, pretty slow, around $1 a day, a little bit over $1. And then all of a sudden, boop, it peaked up to $5, went back down, still in the $1 range, and then went to $6, not bad, but went back down. And then right here, over the past about 2.5 weeks, it was like this, went up to $5.90, $9.86. I was pretty happy about that. Went back down to $4.72, then $11.86. That was the most I ever made in a day for the past like 3 months. And then boom, all the way went back down to $1.57. And on this day, Friday, I didn't post a video because I don't post on Fridays, so that's probably partially why I post. And I don't post on Mondays either. I do post on Saturdays and Sundays. So you can see here, I got a little bit, but it's not a lot. And then for the last day, oh, this isn't the last day, but, oh, I mean, I guess technically this is wrong because this only finishes at Tuesday and the last day was the 31st. So I might have broken 100. If I broke 100, I'll go ahead and just leave it in the description below later on. So yeah, and then if you want to see a little bit more of the analytics, so here you can see 30% of the money I made in August came from one video. And this video is going to be the one I posted a while ago. This was back in 2019 with my DIY channel. The second most was this video right over here. This one was part of the YouTube automation. Same thing over here, same thing over here, and over here, here. Yeah, it just keeps going down. Just keeps going down. And then, yeah, once you start getting to these are going to be some of the older videos I had beforehand. And obviously they didn't really contribute much. I mean, this is a fraction of a cent. It's a fraction of a cent. It's a really small amount. Here you can see how many videos I posted. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, 17 videos have been posted for the month of August. So that gives me an average of like little over 4 a week, 4.25 a week, which isn't bad. And now moving on to the next channel right over here. This is gonna be my second channel. Right here you can see the dashboard. There's a little over 1,500 subscribers. And then now for the analytics, let me just change this for the month of August. And so August has actually been the full month of being monetized since I got monetized somewhere in July. I think it was like 5th of July. So this is technically the first full month. And as you can see here, it's very low. I mean, I made a fraction of a cent, and August 2nd, I finally made 8 cents, 10 cents August 4th, and it's just extremely low. But I mean, hey, that's realistic. That's what's gonna happen. And then all of a sudden, a few days ago, actually literally like 2 days ago, boom, I hit $5.17. I was like, wow, it's the most I ever made on this channel. And then boom, all the way, it goes all the way back to 37 cents. So yeah, that's really what's been happening with this one. This one is more so evergreen content. The first channel I have is more like, not necessarily trending topics, but it's like time sensitive. So I guess you can say kind of news related topics on certain things. Whereas this one is more evergreen, so it's like it's always going to be relevant. So this is probably more search focused. So hopefully over these next few months, I'll go ahead and see these numbers improve dramatically instead of just being $12 for the month. Hopefully it'll be $12 for a day. I'll be happy with that. even though I'm still losing money, but it's progression, it's progress. And then right here, so checking out content, here you can see I'm pretty ahead on this channel as well too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I literally have 5 scheduled videos already, so I'm literally over a week ahead, so I'm pretty happy about that. So it gives my team a little bit more of a chance to catch up if they ever get sick or anything like that, which I did get a team member get sick, so this is why I do this, make sure I'm ahead, because people get sick. And so for the month of August, I posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh wait, yeah, it's gonna be the same amount, 17 times. So yeah, I posted 17 different times, and here you can see the views range dramatically from like 2 all the way to 100. I mean, that's not a lot. So that's all I wanted to share today. Hopefully you found this interesting and insightful to see how YouTube automation actually works and how it takes a while. But if you're interested in seeing the journey, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification, and until next time, bye.